your ears. From the heart of Jordan, they arrive not merely as participants, but as conquerors in the making. Within the electrifying assembly of the Jordan School's athletic delegation, a powerful force is unleashed. 302 determined athletes, a tidal wave of talent, poised to carve their names into the history of the 2025 Guimaras Schools Athletic Association meet. They are fueled by an unbreakable spirit, guided by the 81 dedicated coaches, assistant coaches, and chaperones, the brilliant strategists and tireless motivators who have honed both mind and body for this defining moment of glory. Province of Guimaras, prepare yourself. The Jordanian Phoenix has risen, fierce, united, and rising with purpose. We are here not just to compete, but to ignite the arena, claim victory, and soar to the podium. Padayon, Jordan! I proudly present to you the members of the Jordan delegation as they groove to the original jingle composed by Sir Daniel Frank B. Aspero, showcasing the rhythm, unity, and vibrant spirit of Jordan. Ini ang bagong Jordan, where every moment captures your heart. A community renewed, united, and rising together. Jordan delegation, we can do it.
Lahat ay mapapawaw, lahat ng bisita, everyday